Creating an HTML document. This course will provide a crash course on HTML for absolute beginners. Don't worry, with enough practice, you'll get the hang of it. Let's try typing that on our text editor. Since we're only focusing on HTML for this lesson, let's just use Notepad for Windows or TextEdit for Mac instead of PyCharm. Let's save our file as test.html and put it on the desktop for easy access. Let's start by talking about HTML elements. Elements are everything that are sandwiched between the start and the end tag. Take this paragraph, for example. The HTML element here is the string between the P tags. HTML tags are basically keywords that let us know how our content will be displayed on the web page. All HTML documents start with the doc-type declaration. It isn't part of our code. Rather, it lets the browser know what type of file it will receive. Our actual HTML document begins and ends with the HTML tags. The closing tag uses a /. The actual content we see on the web page is contained between the body tags. Let's see this on our browser. Make sure to save your work, and then let's click the test.html shortcut on our desktop. You'd probably need to refresh your browser too. We can use up to 6 headings on our web page. We'll need to mark them like this. The main heading should be H1, since it comes up first and is the biggest. Next, we have the paragraph or the P tag. When we're working with HTML elements, we can give them attributes. Attributes can be found in the start tag of elements. They give us additional information about the elements. Links are defined with an A tag. Google homepage will be displayed on our web page. This is the link that visitors to the site will click. The href attribute specifies the URL of the Google homepage. The img tag is used for HTML images. Here, we also use other attributes such as source file or SRC, alternative text or alt, width, and height. Let's try this. So first, save an image with a file name that matches the one on your HTML file. In this case, ours is named puppy.jpg. We'll save puppy.jpg on our desktop too. Take note of the size of the image. So we have width and height, which you can change to control the size of the image. Great! Now let's put everything we learned to practice. Since the link and the image are clumped together, we can add a line break between them. Lastly, we can use the title tag to change what it says on our browser's tab. Let's call our web page Cute Puppies. To check the HTML that makes up our web page, we can simply right-click on the page. Select View Page Source and voila! We'll see lines of HTML. And that's about it. In this video, we learned about HTML elements, HTML attributes, HTML tags, and creating a basic HTML file.